Hey everyone, it's Becca. Welcome back to my channel. Just got off work, which is why I'm in nothing crazy, no crazy makeup. And it's really bright, so I had to put my sun's shining in, so I had to put my blinds down. But here's my FabFitFun box. I actually forgot to switch my address, so it went to my old address, though I don't know why I didn't forward it. Because I had that set up, so I have to look into that. But my friend was so nice and picked it up for me from my house. And then she ended up visiting me this past weekend, which was really fun. So here is my box. I want to say my battery's dying, so I don't know how long it'll last. So let's get into it. It's this like massive box. Ooh, pretty inside. So we have the good magazine. So, okay, first thing I see is something I picked out, which I love this box. It's the Isaac Mizrahi Loves Exo Sienna Ceramic Decorative Vase. Definitely feel like it is a decorative vase instead of a functional vase because you can't put much in there. But, ooh, this is like, you know, obviously ceramic, and then this is nice and glossy. Feels really nice in the hand, actually. I like the way it sounds too. So yeah, it was packaged very well. I think it's super cute, so I'm excited to have that. So guess your total value could be anywhere from $225 to $477 plus, it says, which is crazy. But that vase that I got says, add a splash of color to your space with a hand-dipped vase is $28. The next thing I picked out was this Yummy Kim wireless charging pad. Now I don't actually have a phone that can wirelessly charge right now, though, you know, I will soon. My next phone, which I hope to get in the next few months, will. And so this says, rest your phone on the pad and watch the battery recharge in a flash. This pad supports QI compatible devices only, which I think the iPhone is. And this is $35, more than the vase, which is kind of crazy, but it's super cute. I just think it is the cutest thing sitting on your, you know, desk or bureau or whatever, wherever you're charging it. So I'm super excited to have this, and hopefully we'll be able to use it soon. I also love how the new layout is in this magazine. It's much better than how they had it before. Okay, next, this is something they put in. Yeah, it's FabFitFun's pick. This is the Winky Lux Unibrow Universal Eyebrow Pencil. Get your best brows ever with this Universal Brow Pencil, $16. I love the packaging, the purple and gold. And I did see Jen Loves Reviews review this, and she said she really liked it. Ooh, love this packaging. And it's got this, like, I don't know if you can see that, but it's got this, like, rounded triangle tip. So, yeah, it does seem pretty universal. I did, like, some lighter strokes, some heavier strokes. It's not too creamy, which I actually like for my eyebrow pencil. And then, I don't know, I don't love... This is the brush that the Benefit one has. It's just a little too thick for me. I love the one on the Anastasia Brow Wiz. Next, I think this is also something they picked for me. This is the Zoe Ayla Face and Body Ice Roller. I don't know, maybe this is one I picked. Yes. It says, Ice Ice Baby, reduce puffy eyes and rejuvenate tired skin. Especially in, like, the spring, you know, with the allergens, and even now. Ooh. It feels really nice. I love how wide it is. Bigger than my, mini, like stone roller or whatever. But, yeah, I just get very, like, puffy right here. You can see in a lot of my pictures I'm like that because it's just the allergens. So this is great, and I just love how, like, smooth and wide it is. Ooh, that feels nice. I mean, it's super hot, and it still felt a little cool, but I'm sure it'd feel even better. And it says, enjoy the benefits of cold therapy with this extremely convenient tool by Zoe Ayla, I'm not sure. Get rid of puffy eyes, redness, really. Tightens and rejuvenates skin. Achieve radiant glowing skin in just minutes. Wow, that's a big claims. Key benefits. Helps decrease pore size and improve skin tone. Nothing can really decrease pore size. Brighten under eye circles. I don't really know. Reduce the appearance of blemishes and fine lines. Okay, maybe. Promotes fluid flushing in the face. Definitely. Leave the ice roll in the freezer for or more hours, wow, before use. Roll it over your face and neck daily for visible improvements. The ice roller can also be used on the body to soothe bug bites. Ooh, I do have some. Sunburns, tense or sore muscles, ooh, post-workout, treat bruises and aches, or to lessen discomfort before or after cosmetic treatments. Love that. I really want to get a makeup fridge when I have my own place, so that would definitely go in there. Okay, next, this is one of their picks, which again is clearly labeled. This is the Cali Cosmetics foot cream with menthol and Tarocco. I mean, I have my favorite foot cream, but I'll try it. Maybe I'll give it to a loved one. It says a combination of menthol and olive oil helps heal and hydrate your feet. $24. Olive oil, I'm sure, is good. It's made in Hong Kong. Got a nice little safety seal. And good thing it has a safety seal because it doesn't have a those other like protectors. But smells great, actually. Okay, next, yeah, I wasn't too pleased with some of these options. I would have gotten the silk satin pillowcase as an extra beyond my vase, though it was sold out. Or you couldn't add it, I think. But anyway, this is the Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream. Made with lactose from goat's milk, jojoba, and avocado, this gentle formula instantly absorbs into the skin for a healthy glow. $65. It's really expensive. It says growing up with eczema, goat milk, soothes and moisturize. So actually, I am excited about this because I do have a little eczema, though I have so much skincare, too much. Okay, another one of FabFitFun's picks. Again, like I said, this box isn't like super, it's a little underwhelming. But this is the Spongelle Coconut Verbena Hand Cream. Nourish and hydrate your hands with a blend of hyaluronic acid, shea butter, and macadamia seed oils. I mean, it sounds great. Love the bright packaging. This is like the safety seal I was talking about. Ooh, and it does smell really good. Sort of a very thin formula, but it smells freaking fantastic. It reminds me of something. Maybe a Bath & Body Works scent I have. Coconut Verbena. Like that. Okay, next is my pick, and I think this is last actually. It's the Business and Pleasure Company Cooler Bag. This premium cooler bag keeps food and drinks cold and crisp. I was also interested in the Michael Kors Bedford Travel Passport Wallet because it's $78. I would never pay $78. Though I don't love when things just have its logo, and I'm not going to be traveling anywhere anytime soon. And this is super cute. It's a little scrunched, but yeah, look at that. It feels very nicely made. Even has little clasps on the handle. Be good for perfect for this beach time. I love that. I think this is great. Even like for car trips, I feel like my little lunch bag is never big enough. So, yeah, and I just love this sort of like, what do you call this? This burnt orange kind of shade. Canary yellow, I don't know. But I love that. So that's $59, so I didn't say, which I would never pay $59. So yeah, so there's that. There's a fourth. Or I guess what I would have gotten the satin pillowcase with would be the ice roller. But anyway, there's the 6th and 8th. So yeah, I really wanted the Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask, but I'm just going to buy those myself. Though I am happy to have that hand cream. And let's see what else I could have gotten. I mean, yeah, I think I'm happy with what they gave me. So, hand cream excited about. The wireless charger is great. The foot cream, nah. The roller is really nice. This bag I like. And, oh, the eyebrow is, sure, I'll use it. And the vase I really like. So, that is my FabFitFun. I will kind of leave a running total of how much all of this was. I'm trying to see if there's anything good in this magazine. I'm not sure. But yeah, I mean, although it wasn't my favorite, there are a few that I was surprised about. So, I mean, I love getting FabFitFun. It's great. So, it'll be another 3 months until I get the next one. But that is all. Anyway, I hope you guys are all doing well. And until next time, bye everyone.